Carefully separate the branch from the mother plant. Now I will plant this tree in a pot. Then water the new plant thoroughly. If you want to propagate lemon tree, you must follow this technique. First, you need to select healthy, mature lemon brick. Using a sharp knife, make a ring-shaped cut around the branch. Remove 1 to 2 inches of bark.
Washing the lemon tree branch with water.
Now take an onion and apply it to the branch. Now take a cotton cloth and wrap it tightly around the branch. Its great water holding capacity helps roots grow. Pour water on the cloth and soak it completely. Now take a black polythene then wrap the claw tightly with the polythene and secure it with a zip tie.
After 45 days,
new roots have grown. Once the roots well developed, carefully separate the branch from the mother plant. Now I will plant this tree in a pot. Then water the new plant thoroughly.